I spent a few years at the international crossing between Florida and Georgia. Do you still have to have a passport to get to Thomasville? Well, I don't know, you know, things change in the world today. But I spent many, many great times around here, and it's great to be back in the Panhandle and on the Gulf Coast. I really like it. This is the middle of what we would loosely describe as the winter tour. Of course, we pick the winter when there is no winter to go on a winter tour. This is as far north as in Florida as we're going. But tomorrow we have to go up to the frigid regions of your former state, right? Arkansas. See what you did to my Florida people? Michael loved me right there, you know. And then we go all the way up, like towards the North Pole to Louisville. I mean, I'm beginning to get a little cabin fever here. This is that time if you're in school here, you're just looking, counting the days of spring break, aren't you? Want to get down to Mexico and drink some tequila, is that what I'm